Hi guys, I know you've been learning about volume and surface area and how to find those measurements. And today we're going to talk about when should you find volume and when should you find surface area. So volume is something that we fill in, right? Like how much water do I need to fill a container? Or how much water do I need to fill in a swimming pool? Or how about if you have a hole and you need to fill it with dirt? Like how much dirt do I need? That's volume. And so when you're figuring out surface area, how much do you need to cover something? So fabric to cover something. Or maybe you're painting a wall and you need to figure out what the area of that wall is. That is surface area. When we're talking about volume, we measure in cubic units. So I'm talking meters cubed, inches cubed, right? And you guys have learned this before with this exponent. So this is inches cubed, right? All right. And surface area is inches squared. We're talking about square units or meters squared. All right, so what does that mean? Well, everybody's seen a box of cereal, right? You have these in your, maybe you have Cocoa Puffs or Cinnamon Toast Crunch or whatever your favorite is. My favorite is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. But today we're going to talk about what is the difference with this between volume and surface area. So if I look inside, right, I've got some Cocoa Puffs in here. Here we go. Oh, they're actually stale, but that's neither here nor there. We're going to talk about how much cereal can actually fill this box. That is volume. And so what do? You've been learning that with prisms, if you find the area of the base and you measure it by the height, that will give you the volume, right? So I went ahead and I drew my picture over here of my cereal box, and here it is. And we're going to take a look that this is 2 inches here, this is 9 inches, and we have 11 inches. So as we said, let's find the area of the base. And we know that the measurements up at the top are the same at the bottom. So this base here is 2 by 9. So we're gonna go ahead and find that area, right? Length times width, 9 times 2. So this base is 18 inches squared. All right, so now we're gonna take that and we're gonna measure it by the height. And so when you take 18 and you multiply it by 11, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get that it is 198 inches cubed. Remember cubed because area is squared, but I multiply it by the height and I get my volume, which is inches cubed. So the volume of this box is 198 inches cubed. All right, well now I need to make the box. How much cardboard do I need in order to fill and hold all of that stale cereal that's in my box, right? I need to find the area of all these spaces and I'm gonna add them all together. And I have 6 spaces, so I should have 6 areas and then I'm gonna add them all together. Well, we already found the bottom, right? So we already did part of it. If it's 18 inches squared on the bottom, it's 18 inches squared on the top. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write that in. Now I need to find the side. Well, it is 11 by 2, right? I have my 2 and 11. And so 11 times 2 is 22 inches squared. If this side is 22, this side is 22. All right, let's find the face. So it is 9 by 11, and 9 times 11 is 99. So 99 inches squared. If the front is 99, the back is 99. And so we know that we should have really 2 of these, so let's not forget that. And now I just need to add all 6 of these together. 22 and 22, I know is 44. So I added these 2 together. I know 18 and 18 is 36. All right, I'm gonna add this, and I get 80. Now that's only 4 of the sides. Now I still have the front and the back, which is 99, times 2, and I get 198, so I need to add that. And I get that my surface area is 278 inches squared. So that is the difference between volume and surface area, and a little reminder of how to find them.